In this video we'll explore Doba, a dropshipping platform that connects you with thousands of suppliers so you can sell products without handling inventory yourself. It promises seamless integrations with Shopify, WooCommerce, and other stores, making product import and order syncing easy. Doba stands out for its wide product range, real-time inventory updates, and automated order management. Its dashboard is beginner-friendly, helping new sellers find and test trending products quickly. However, convenience comes at a price. Doba's monthly subscription fees can be steep, and many users report that supplier prices are higher than other sources, leaving thin profit margins. Customer support and refund handling are also common complaints, with slow responses and occasional restocking fees. Plus, since many sellers use Doba, product saturation can be a real issue, making it hard to stand out or build a unique brand. Overall, Doba is decent for testing ideas or starting small without the hassle of finding suppliers yourself. But if you're serious about building a scalable, branded dropshipping business, you might outgrow it quickly. Start smart, research alternatives before committing to Doba.